Hi, so I thought I would do kind of a quick and straightforward video about my plans for this car while I work on editing the video about the A-pillars. So Original Sound Junkie had asked what I saw, this build kind of moving towards, and it is not going to be a factory restoration car. I know that's going to make a lot of people kind of sad, being as I got it from the original owner. And the car is pretty much just completely stock from how he bought it and brand new. But he gave it to me kind of in a way of keeping it in the family, since he is like a second dad to me. So he passed it on to me, hoping that after sitting for 28 years in the same spot, in '88 was when it was parked, that I could get it running and I could enjoy it like he did all those years. So as a result, I'm not going to be keeping this factory Coronado Gold. It's not really my taste. I'm going to be keeping the interior black. The exterior, as far as that goes, we haven't quite nailed down a color. I know we still have quite a bit of time because there's a lot of body work and everything that needs to be done before that. My husband and I are both thinking maybe black. That's kind of what we're leaning towards. I think a high gloss black on the body while leaving all the chrome kind of trim, like the wheels and then the bezels around the headlights and the taillights. I would actually like to do those either like a satin or matte black. My husband, he doesn't agree. He thinks that it would just be way too much black, that even though it's one's high gloss and the other one's matte or satin, that it just would be over the top. So he's thinking something different. So that might change a little bit. We'll kind of see where we land there. Like I said, the interior, we're going to maintain black. No big plans on messing with the drivetrain. Not going to bore out and stroke or anything that original Pontiac 400. We're just going to kind of rebuild it, stick it in the car. Same with the Turbo 400 transmission. Just going to get that smoothed out, get it rebuilt, put that back in the car. It came with the gears on it are, I believe, a 3.07, and we're just not quite sure if we're going to leave it that or if we're going to bump it up to something so it's not quite as tall of a gear. Definitely going to be putting a posi in the rear end, and I am definitely leaning towards making this car fuel injection. I like Holley's Sniper EFI system. I think it would just really help with the drivability, which is what I'm going for. We're not building a race car. We're not building a show car, anything like that. It's basically going to be a reliable and safe daily driver. That's basically my dream car. So we are going to make it disc all the way around. The rear was drums. We already got that disc conversion set up, and we put it on, checked, made sure everything fit, and it's good to go there. And I think between doing that stuff, maybe some things with the handling and that, and then putting in the fuel injection will just make it a really fun, streetable, drivable car that I can take to run errands, get groceries, whatever, just be able to hop in and enjoy it and have a good time. So that's pretty much where we're at. If you have any questions or want to see anything particular about this build, just put a comment below, or if there's a color you think, I'm willing to look at pictures and kind of see what we like best. So yeah, any suggestions are greatly appreciated, and thanks for watching.